Hi everyone, as employment lawyers we are gearing up for possibly some of the biggest changes in a political generation to our rules and regulations. The most concerning for many employers will be the proposal to change the qualifying period for unfair dismissal from 2 years down to effectively 0, so rights accruing from day one, just as with discrimination legislation. How will that work in practice? Well, it's not going to come in immediately, and I think there will be some comfort for employers in what we're about to discuss. So the changes have to be made by an order. That happened last time when the Employment Rights Act was amended and the qualifying period increased to 2 years. It did come into force more or less as soon as the orders were made. But there were transitional provisions, so it only applied to continuous employment, which commenced after the order came into force. So the first comfort for the employer is that it is unlikely to have retrospective effects to those who have been employed before the law changes. If Labour continue to consult on the proposals, that is likely to take some time. There are likely to be transitional provisions. And the other point to consider is that in their plan to make work pay, they've suggested that they would also change the rules on probationary periods. So there is a suggestion in there that even if qualifying periods are effectively abolished, there will be some sort of provision which allows greater flexibility for employers who may want to dismiss during the probationary period. It's very unclear what that might look like or how long the probationary period may last, but that will mean probably some drafting changes to contracts of employment once we know more about the changes coming into force. We will, of course, keep you updated on Labour's plans for employment law changes as they do progress. If you need any support in the meantime on employment law matters, please do get in touch. Visit the website chadwicklawrence.co.uk or email employmenthub@chadlaw.co.uk. Thank you.